more time. Ready?
Let me swing. I mean to swing with the balloon.
With them? Okay, go ahead.
Ready, steady, go! Uh-oh. I need your help. I need your help.
I think you should swing over the balloons.
No, swing with the balloon.
Okay.
I don't know.
I know what to do.
Huh?
Ow, I know what to do. Put them up here like that.
What?
Yeah, like that. There you go. Now you can swing with the balloons. Over the river. Over the river. You jumped right over the entire river. Look at that.
My balloon swinger is awesome. I need to fly with the balloon.
You're right. It is awesome. You're not going to be able to hang on to the balloon when you swing. It won't work.
I'm going to hang on to the balloon.
Woohoo! Yippee! Wow!
America Mako.
Mm-hmm.
It's way more. You need your help.
Mm-hmm.
I need your help to pass. Whoa! You fell on the river.
Swim! You have to swim!
Swimming?
You're in the river now. You gotta swim for it. Quick! Quick! Do a donkey kick! Do a donkey kick!
Let me swing first.
Okay.
Let me swing.
Keep swimming! Keep swimming! You've made it to the other side! Little one, do you want to climb into your car? You're getting a little bored because you're not swinging. Here, car? Car, vroom vroom.
I want to swing on the Bocruza bar.
The Ballapalooza bar? That's not strong enough to hold you. And it's not particularly rewarding to do, but you're welcome to try.
The Bocruza bar is... I can swing on the reef and the Bocruza bar all together.
You're welcome to try. Are you all right, little one?